We took on an abandoned 3-family, and this is our current situation. Watch us turn this once forgot about house into homes with our family.
Putting the bed together so they can be over here while we working.
Right.
Babe finally over here. They're gonna be able to chill over here in the back room. Got a drywall up, so that sealed up the walls.
Come on, management. You gotta make sure all of them are twisted.
Ava and TJ got the legs tightened down. Those right there, I think I gotta screw those in the middle or something.
TJ, you're fired. You didn't even twist it all the way.
I guess I should read the instructions because they came with these 2 legs right here and screws with the tool.
TJ is the crazy one in our videos. Subscribe to the Art family.
Alright, we got fixes. Do it with a foot at.
Uh-oh.
Right, give me the leg.
Okay, look.
Damn.
This is going to take a long time for these big head people to finish.
Listen to Ava talk her smack.
Hey, I could talk my smack if I want to.
Oh, really?
Yes. Finally finished.
If y'all want to send us some furniture to try on our projects, you know, just hit us up.
Right.
And make sure you find some buttons there for me. I want a princess one, but one that has a desk.
Signed Ava and Dada. So back to what?
Work.
Now we have to childproof this. Get your dusty shoes off of the couch. Get your dusty butt off of the couch. Just move. Just move. So this is our renovation operation, okay? We got the food over here, kitchen over there, living room over there, school taking place here. And in case somebody feeling a little sleepy, they know where to go, right, Nani?
And the family then.
All right. You being Dada's helper today?
Nope.
The family.
I gotta move this drywall upstairs. I already did probably like 4, and then my cousin helped me this morning, but he had to get off to work. Good thing for this little handle right here. Shout out to everybody that make one-man tools. We gotta do shit yourself sometimes. I am super tired. That was a nice workout though. We got a couple people here working. Mud, they old dudes. Seems like only the old dudes want to work. Can't work them that hard. Then I got another guy that say he gonna come. And there's a lot of people that been falling off. People say they do stuff and then they don't show up. I'm professional shit, but we get into it though. I'm gonna get to, know what I'm saying, putting up some drywall. The patches I gotta do, and then get to finishing up everything.
Think about it. Wait, hold on. It don't make sense. If it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. Think about the money that I done spent, but now that I think about it, wait, what? It don't make sense. Watch your back from fake ass friends. Main reason why I stay down with the fam, but now that I think about it, wait, hold on. Still don't make sense. Watch your back from fake ass fam. Just stay down, might roll me a ground, but now that I think about it, wait, hold on. Still don't make sense. Keep to yourself and stick with the plan. It'll fall through and work out at the end. I was just thinking about it. I want a bigger body. I'm thinking Benz. I need some land. Make sure that I don't see nobody. Just me and the fam. So what's the plan? Let's sit down and think about it. Babe, grab me a pen, the paper within. We just out here living like we supposed to, but people gon' hate and talk down. I guess they supposed to.
Just scraped all this stuff down. Now I'm vacuuming up these paint chips. I actually had to go get the HEPA filter, so all the paint chips actually be inside this bag, inside there. So all I gotta do is open that boy up, pull this little tab to close this off, and bam, got all the chips in this bag here. I did all the scraping, which is good. So after I clean all this crap up, I'm gonna start mud. I'm gonna prime these ceilings so I can get a good adhesion when it comes to mudness, and skim coating these walls. Because I still got to tape up some cracks and stuff like that, but I'm gonna prime all this first so I got a good surface to grip on with this mud. But in this room in here, where we see the bathroom, we're gonna have to do the same thing on this ceiling here. Drywall up in here. Still got to throw up a board with the door. I think we're gonna do a glass door, but I don't know. Bedroom over here, I got these walls skimmed. These actually looking pretty good. I still got like a couple cracks I need to throw some tape over. Got some new drywall back there. I was able to mud that up with a coat. So yeah, it's definitely coming together and looking good. It's time to get back to work. just got done mudding that right there, smoothing that out, smoothing out some of these other little divots and corners, smoothing that out there. It just needs some sanding. Put this corner bead on here. Man, I got some back pain right now. And it was actually cool for these last couple of days. It actually cooled down, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't that bad. Then I made a mistake and damn lift this damn bag with my back. Oh my Jesus, it in there and reset. Oh my Jesus, my shit hurt. See this, I done dropped my damn mud thing. I gotta clean this out, but I'm actually gonna ask babe if she can come up here. No, I ain't no fuck. I'm about to scoop that in that bucket. Fuck, this shit ain't no mother joke. It's time to go home and just sit on the heating pad, drink me some goddamn water. This is like the downside of like fixing houses by your damn stuff, cause it's like when you hurt, really ain't nobody that can really take over. But I don't really give a damn. I just strap up, you know what I'm saying? Make sure I'm Gucci and shit, just trying to fight through it for real. Get the fuck out of here. I still gotta go get a plate from my mama's house. And I can do that from the car. Flashbacks of that damn one time. So it's time to go. And I need you to scoop this mud out of this bucket. I had to drop my shit. I'm like, when we get hurt, we just gotta fight through it or it ain't gonna get done. That don't mean definitely listen to your body. I'm gonna listen to your bite, but guess what? I'm gonna be bite. Look at her, that's the stuff.
So this is the hard part right here.
See, with that right there, I think that's where a little one kind of handy.
I just leave it on.
Yep. If fixing that gonna mess up your other stuff, just leave it. Come back after it dry. You see, she got the new light switch all muddied up.
Boy.
Good thing about this mud, it's easy to break off, clean off. Just put some water on. Her stuff looking all smooth. She was scared to do this coat because she knew it had to be like good enough to where you ain't got to do a lot of sanding.
Crazy thing is, I actually had to freaking just be like, you know what? Whatever, I'm just gonna do it. It really turned out. That's how it's gonna turn out.
Why ain't you finish your silk?
I'm working my way on.
Y'all see her texture that's blending in. You can see where she touched her now because the mud's still wet, but wait till you paint it. Ain't gonna see none of that. So this mud be shrinking. If you put a lot of it on, all you gotta do is stuff that little crack with some more mud, fill it in. All right, see y'all when we get bite.
Gotta stay focused now. Watch them close, they poking now.
Smooth that out. Yeah. Boom. Give him something to do. Really can't mess up this wall because it's gonna be textured. So he Gucci, he have fun. I'm about to mud up this bathroom.
Let's go, Daddy.
I know, I'm about to go do mine. What you doing? Go ahead, finish. We got his own bucket of mud. Say my bucket broke, but I keep it clean though.
Let's get closer now, go higher up, not close to the ground. Gotta watch my ways, don't got the time to take time off. Stuck in the days, that bullshit it just fades off. We on our way, wait for the time just to break off, but no distractions, cause it's easier to slack off. Sorry, can't do it for free, cause I just want diamonds that's dripping off me. Please watch them people, they staring at me with a strap. I might have the air for free. They say they here for me. Oh, they really are, they here for the fee. They say they ready to die with me. Hit a lick and rock passenger side with me. Boy, think about it. Wait, what? Don't make sense. If it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. Think about the money that I done spend, but now that I think about it, wait, hold up. It don't make sense. Watch your back from fake ass friends. Main reason why I stay down with the fam, but now that I think about it, wait, what? Still don't make sense. Watch your back from fake ass fam. Just stay down, might roll me a gram, but now that I think about it, still don't make sense. Keep to yourself and stick with the plan. It'll fall through and work out at the end.
It's a white man in my house.
Right, so if a house is 100,000 and the bottom bid is 40,000, I don't want to buy it. So I want, like, I am a catastrophic investor. I want my bottom prices no matter what. So even if everything goes wrong, I'm still gonna make money.